Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, we're up again for another easy tutorial. This time I'll be showing you how to see or view your backed up photos on your Google Photos app. As we all know, we use the backup options in order to save our old photos to the Google Cloud instead of saving it on your phone, which can take up space. So in order to do that, of course, go to your Google Photos app, and as you can see here on the top right corner, it should display your profile picture, or in this case the first letter of the account, and then this will show up. And then as you can see here, Google Photo settings, as you can see on my cursor, click on that and then it will show the settings option, and please make sure to click on backup since we want to make sure that the backup option is turned on like so. If not, please make sure that it is clicked on. And once you're done with that, you can proceed to your search engine on your phone. It could be Safari, it could be Google Chrome, it could be whatever. Once you're inside of that, just go to Google Photos website and then make sure to log in. And then once you're in, click this vertical line, three vertical dots, and then click on Photos, and then voila, it should show your backup photos here on the interface. That's it. Thank you for watching.